Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're about to go do an oil change on the WRX. Probably clean it up, get some clean shots on it. Yo, what's up guys? So we made it back to the shop. We got the Subi right here. I think I might wash it and clean the interior since we're at the shop right now, and this is where I got all my stuff. I'm gonna time lapse me doing an oil change real quick. I don't know what else I'm gonna do.
HT made the wave.
We just got the oil drain plug out. Now we just gotta get the oil filter. You can't really see it. I'll update you guys here in a bit.
HT made the wave.
Got the old oil filter, and about to go with that Mobil 1. We're gonna choose the oil filter, and then I think we're pretty much done. Probably give you guys a cinematic video of me cleaning the car or something in here. Alright, we just got done with the oil change. I just put the oil in. I'm gonna time lapse at me putting it in because I kind of spilt it and fucked up like 3 times. But I'm about to give you guys a startup on it. Make sure there's no oil leaks. Make sure everything's tied down. Here we go. Seems like there's no oil leaks. I think we're good to go. Now I'm gonna go wash the car. I'm gonna put it back together and then give it a quick rinse down, and then I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time.